Imagine this, you receive an email or text message that looks perfectly normal. It could be from your bank, a social media site, or even a friend. That email or message contains a link, and without thinking, you click on it. In that single moment, your digital life is compromised. One click is all it takes to invite chaos in your world. Welcome to the dark side of the internet. Today, we are exposing the terrifying reality of what hackers can do with just one click. First, let's understand what a malicious link is. These are links crafted by hackers to deceive you into clicking them. They often appear as legitimate URLs but can redirect you to dangerous websites. But what can actually happen when you click on? Let's break it down. Hackers often use phishing attacks to steal your personal information. This includes your full name, address, phone numbers, and even sensitive details like your social security number and banking information. With this data, they can commit identity theft, taking out loans and opening credit cards in your name, leaving you to deal with the financial and legal repercussions. Once hackers have your financial information, they can drain your bank accounts and max out your credit cards. They might use your details to make unauthorized purchase or transfer. Some sophisticated attacks involve creating new accounts and taking out loans in your name, leaving you to face the financial and legal fallouts. Clicking on the malicious link can lead to the installation of spyware or remote access tools on your device. Hackers can then control your webcam and microphone, watching and listening to you without your knowledge. They can also track your keystrokes, capturing password and sensitive information as you type. Some links can trigger the downloads of ransomware, which encrypts your file and locks you out of your device. The hacker demands a ransom in exchange of decryption key. Even if you pay, there is no guarantee you will get your data back, and you might be targeted again in the future. A single click can compromise not just your device, but your entire home network. Malware can spread from one device to another, infecting everything connected to your network. This includes smartphone, tablet, smart TVs, and even smart home devices, creating a web of vulnerability. Hackers can use malicious links to gain access to your social media and email accounts. Once they have control, they can impersonate you, sending out more malicious links to your contacts, spreading the infection further. They might also access private messages and sensitive information stored in your accounts. So how can you protect yourself from these threats? Here are some crucial tips. C. Never click on suspicious link. Always verify the sender and the URL. You have to use a strong and unique password, and wherever possible, enable two-factor authentication. Regularly update your operating system and apps to patch security vulnerability. Use reliable antivirus and anti-malware programs. Regularly backup important files to an external drive or cloud storage. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel. If you have any query, write it down in our comment box. Until next time, keep your guard up and click save. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Happy hacking.